Hi viewers, hope you are all safe at home. Welcome to his Daily Bread kitchen. These are the simple ingredients I have used to cook super tasty chicken. Let's go for the preparations. Put a pan on the stove. Once pan is hot, pour the oil. When oil is hot, please add chopped garlic and ginger. Let it cook for a while. Add chilies. Add onions. Saute them for a while. Once onions are slightly cooked, so it's time to add the remaining ingredients. Now we can add a pinch of turmeric, chili powder. Again saute it out for a while. Let's add coriander powder, a tablespoon. Again mix well. So now we can add chicken. Here I have taken half a kg, 500 grams. Gently you can mix with the masalas. Gently you can mix well. To cook for a while. So once it is cooked little bit, you can add garam masala and chicken masala powder together. See, I have used both together because I used to keep both together mixed, especially for chicken recipes. So you can add separately or you can add even together. So take tablespoon of water. So here I have used 3 tablespoons of water. Gently you can stir it again. So stir well, allow it to cook for a while. Then it's time to add salt. You can add as per your taste, you can add the salt. Then again mix very well and let all chicken cook very well. Mix the masala with chicken very well. It to cook for a while. So let's close lid for a while. You can take 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Once 3 to 4 minutes is done, check the chicken is cooked or not. Yes, it is cooked. If the chicken is not cooked, please close the lid again for a few minutes. Then you can cook it. That is cooked. Let's add pepper powder. Sprinkle on it gently. Then we'll add capsicum and then coriander leaves. So once it is added, gently stir it well again. And the water consistency is whatever is remaining. I want this to dry. So I prefer dry chicken, so I'm allowing it to dry. Allow the chicken to dry for 2 more minutes. It is completely dry now. Yes, it's ready to serve in the bowl. Thank you for watching and please try at home. You will love it. And please like my video and share and subscribe with all your friends and family members. Thank you once again. Stay home safely. God bless you all. Take care.